Are you also tired of being told all the time to go out, mingle with people, have a social life for yourself, and make friends? Well, today let me share with you an incident from Newton's life. हम सबको पता है that he was a loner, he had no girlfriend and a non-existent social life. पूरी जिंदगी में he just had one friend. His name was John Wickens. और वो भी इसलिए दोस्त बना क्योंकि दोनों को ही अपने अपने रूममेट्स नहीं पसंद थे. So they decided to shift together. आइजैक के odd behavior के बावजूद Wickens tolerated him. He became a caring figure as a friend would do and used to make sure कि Newton ate and slept properly. उनके डिस्कशंस मोस्टली रिवॉल्व करते थे अराउंड द एकेडमिक वर्ल्ड जो कि एक कॉमन इंटरेस्ट था दोनों का, और कभी कभी विकेंस यूज टू ऑल्सो हेल्प न्यूटन विद हिज क्रेजी एक्सपेरिमेंट्स. लेकिन फ्रेंडशिप बहुत दिन तक चली नहीं. रीज़न बहुत सिंपल था. न्यूटन वॉज कोल्ड, इनसेंसिटिव एंड रूड, एंड जनरली ही डिड नॉट हैव मच टाइम फॉर पीपल अनलेस ही नीडेड देम. After Wickens left, he never spoke of Newton again. And this is quite unusual, क्योंकि most of the people want to say that they have known a famous or maybe an influential guy. But nothing. ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ. He did not even spoke to his son about Newton and their friendship. Wickens के जाने के बाद Newton realized how much work Wickens had selflessly done for his laboratory. However, all he did was not go and talk to him. Instead, he found a new assistant. And that is it. It was the end of friendship. The only friend he ever had in his entire life. Some people are not made for friendship. वो नहीं stand कर सकते किसी और को अपनी surrounding में. तो ऐसे लोगों को क्या करना चाहिए? It's very simple. They should just shut themselves in their rooms and make themselves useful. Newton ने exactly यही किया था. His life was full of hardship, tragedy, loss and very little joy. But he became famous. Although ये जो eternal debate है between enjoying the life in the present moment या working to have a lasting impact will continue, you need to think for yourself. What life do you want? You do not need friends. ये कोई ऐसा essential नहीं है जैसे हवा और पानी, लेकिन हाँ, they have advantages and disadvantages जैसे बाकी चीज़ों के होते हैं. So what I want from you, my friend, is that choose the life you want to lead.